Hi guys, Sarah here with Remax Structure. So I've done a video before about why you should talk to a lender, but I thought it would be helpful to actually interview a lender and introduce you to one so you can answer some common questions that I've been getting about how to qualify for a home and what you need. I invited Austin Worrell, and he's a mortgage broker. Hi Austin.
Hey Sarah, thanks for having me. I'm glad to be here to help answer some common questions that buyers may have when purchasing their new home.
So one of the most common questions I get asked about financing is, what does it take to qualify a buyer, and do they have to have perfect credit?
Borrowers certainly don't have to have perfect credit to get qualified. A number of borrowers that I work with have scores between 600 and 700. I've even helped a lot of borrowers get in for with scores under 600 in many cases, so not the biggest thing to worry about. We also look at 2 years employment history. I can help self-employed borrowers get into homes as well. Another big thing that I do look at is going to be their debt to income ratio, and that really is what helps me figure out how large of a loan they can get qualified for. I'll look at that number in addition to what their monthly mortgage payment will be, and that really helps give us the big picture.
Debt to income ratio. Can you explain what that means?
Yeah, debt to income ratio, basically what we do is we take a look at a borrower's monthly debts versus their gross monthly income, and that helps calculate what their overall debt to income ratio is. Not all monthly bills are factored into a borrower's debt to income ratio, so it's really best for us to complete a full credit app to get the best solution possible.
So what about down payment requirements?
This is probably one of the biggest questions and misconceptions I find with buyers when purchasing their new home. Most people think they have to have at least 20% to put down when purchasing their home, and that's definitely not the case. Most of the people I help come in with typically 3 to 5%, and that gives them the ability to purchase their home. 3% on a $300,000 home, for example, is only $9,000 to buy your new home. In many cases, you don't even need that much money to put down. There's programs such as VA if you're a veteran, or we have down payment assistance programs available as well. So lots of opportunities to help people purchasing their new home.
What kind of options are available as far as the duration of the loan? Mine's a 30-year fixed, but I know there's other options available.
There are a number of different programs available in different loan terms. The most common is going to be a 30-year mortgage like what you have, but we can do 10, 15, 20 years as well. The advantage of the longer terms is they do give you a lower monthly mortgage payment, so that's why you find most people doing 30-year mortgages. Another term you'll often hear is going to be ARM, which stands for adjustable rate mortgage. Those typically offer lower payments up front initially, but down the road they can increase or decrease depending on what rates are at that time. The advantage I have being a broker versus working for a particular bank is it really allows me to shop. I have 20 plus different banks and lenders that I work with, so once I take a credit app, I can do all the shopping for you. I go in and compare all 20 different banks, guarantee you get the best rates and best deal possible.
Well, thank you, Austin, for all the valuable information. If any of you guys have questions, please reach out to me, and also Austin will be tagged in this video so you can reach out to him directly.
Thanks for having me. Definitely, if you guys have any questions looking at new homes, or even if you're not quite there yet but just have some general questions, I'd be glad to help you. So give me a call, send me a message, anything, I'm always available.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please share, like, comment. I would love to help you find a house or sell your house or anything real estate related. Welcome, Austin.
Yeah. That's probably key.